Hello? The seagull.
Seagull.
You seagull, you're on the top there. Wow. You like it? You like it, seagull? The top there. Enjoying yourself. Here. That's it, you look down. That's what we are, friends. We're seated with Christ in heavenly places, looking down. Looking down on the enemy. He's defeated. Just like that seagull on the top of there on the light. Yeah, hallelujah, Jesus. We're looking down, you see. We're looking down from heavenly places, because it says in the Ephesians, we're seated with Christ in heavenly places. And we're looking down. Hallelujah. It's like that seagull up. His eye up watching down. Everything's small. Because the Lord's big, Jesus is big. And everything looks small, you see, when we're looking down, because we're seated with Christ in the heavenly places, in heavenly realms. Hallelujah. Is it Terry? It's Terry. I've got to put you a bit. There you are. There, look at that seagull. It's still there, you know. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, seagull.